for you to chew. I'm just pouring a coffee, so don't fly onto that camera. You don't fly up here. Bonjour.
Est-ce que vous voudrez boire?
Vais-je voudrais un café?
Ah bon?
Oui. Merci.
Fuck off. What? What?
Come on then, we're still waiting for the Mrs. Cooper song.
Some cup.
Hey.
What? I
can't work out what that strange word is that you're saying.
What?
I can't work out what that strange word is that you're saying.
Dance.
Oh, I'm not bloody dancing, it's Sunday sodding morning.
What do you want that subject?
What?
Come in. What is point?
What is point?
Ah, water. Comment what? Ah,
Ça va?
Est-ce que vous voudrez boire?
Oui, je voudrais un café.
Wow.
Now what's that silly noise when you do that? Ah! What's that all about?
Hello, freak. Oh. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, listen to that lovely canary room. Oh, they're lovely.
Dance.
Well, it's not really the sort of song you can dance to, darling.
Wow.
Don't keep going blah! I don't understand what it is and it sounds horrible. Try and sing like Amy.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
You're not funny. Wow. Wow.
Don't keep doing that, this doesn't make any sense.
Fuck up your door.
Well, it's a stupid bloody sound.
Wow.
Stop it!
Fuck up.
Hey.
Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, yum, yum.
Oh, yeah.
Shoot up.
Shit up your ass.
Hello. Over. Wow. Wow.
Sounds like you're struggling to say something new there, but I can't work out what it is.
Come to go for a walk. What you want? Fuck this idiot, yeah?
What?
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 I walk for. What's this? Article. The fucking archer.
That whistling is nothing like the canary song. You're never going to be able to do what he can do.
Joel. Joel. Joel.
Stop it! Bloody freak.
Joel.
Oh, stop it. You're just doing that to annoy me. I tell you what, you have to have the patience of a saint to do with a parrot. Ain't that the truth? Are you in that picture properly, or have I got to adjust it? No, I'll be alright on
What comment is made, darling?
it. Do what, darling?
Come here.
No?
Wait.
What?
Joel. Fuck off. Fuck on this one.
Oh dear, what a way to start a Sunday.
Oh dear.
Oh no, oh dear indeed. Shocking.
Joel.
Yeah.
Joel.
Oh, stop it. Oh, this bloody stapler doesn't work now. Everything I've got is broken, I thought it to be.
Joel.
What a pathetic old fool I am. Oh, Molly, eh? Look at this. Oh, you think I'd be able to start doing that? sort these bills out. Do that tomorrow though. Another day tomorrow. Should we be so fortunate? You've gone quiet, Roo.
Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
Come on, mate. Right. Fuck off, you cunt, mate.
What?
Oi, oi. Dance.
Do.
Fuck your arse.
You are.
Fuck off. Stop it, Raymond. Come in. Stop.
Molly's such a good